Hello and welcome, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this video. It's to accompany my Etsy listing for this lovely little drum just here. It's a horse skin shamanic drum. We've got it on a beechwood frame. Just double check. Yes, it is beechwood. Thought it was. So yeah, this video is to accompany my Etsy listing. So you click on the link or the text, the web address. You may need to open it. Click open in your browser, or it might just say open. You might want to copy it and paste it into YouTube or whatever. But eventually you'll get there and you'll be able to have a little listen. I'm going to pop the link to the listing below as well on the YouTube video. So if you come at it the other way around, you can go and have a look on the Etsy listing. So the purpose is to hear the sound. So I'm going to play with a firm beater and a softer beater, both available to purchase alongside the drum. This is a soft beater. I'll start with this one. Now this is quite a thin skin, a thin horse skin. Now the thinner skins give a slightly higher pitched sound. So if you bear that in mind, that's the sort of sound that this drum is going to create. And that's often lends itself better actually to a firmer beater. The soft beater sometimes doesn't get the best from a thinner skinned drum. But we'll see, we'll have a play. Not too bad at all, if I don't mind saying so myself. So yeah, and this is a firmer beater, so this should give a brighter, louder sound, sharper. Here we go. Gorgeous. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose online. It's always tricky. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.